Part D is make x the subject of the formula. X is equal to 3 plus x over y. So by cross multiplication, this is xy is equal to 3 plus x. Then xy minus x is equal to 3. Taking x as common, it will be y minus 1 is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 3 over y minus 1. Question number 11. A curve has equation y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 4. Its first part is work out the coordinates of the two stationary points. For stationary points, we will find its derivative. So dy over dx is equal to 3x square minus 3. Now at stationary points, derivative is 0. So we will put dy over dx is equal to 0. And this implies 3x square minus 3 is equal to 0. From this, x square is equal to 1 and x is equal to plus minus 1. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1 plus 4. This will be what? 1 cube minus 3 times 1 plus 4 is 2. And at x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1 cube minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 plus 4, which is 6. So coordinates are 1, 2 and minus 1, 6. 1, 2, minus 1, 6. Its part B is determine whether each stationary point is a maximum or a minimum. Give reasons for your answers. Now for this we will find second derivative. Dy over dx is 3x square minus 3 and second derivative d square y over dx square equals 6x. Now we will find second derivative at x is equal to plus minus 1. So at x is equal to 1, second derivative at x is equal to 1 is 6 into 1, which is 6. This is greater than 0. Since second derivative is positive, so minimum. At this point is 1, 2. So minimum at 1, 2. Now second derivative at x is equal to minus 1. This will be negative 6, which is less than 0. Since this is negative, so maximum at this point. Maximum at minus 1, 6.